Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning, Alex. Wake up, it's time for school.
Good morning, Mom. I am awake now.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
That's good. Go wash your face and brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom. I will get ready quickly.
Your school uniform is on the bed.
Thank you, Mom.
Hurry up. We need to leave now.
Mom, where are my shoes?
They are near the door.
Oh yes, I found them.
Did you pack your school bag?
Yes, Mom. I packed my books and notebooks.
What about your lunchbox?
I forgot it.
Don't worry. I will put it in your bag.
Thank you, Mom. You always help me.
Mothers always help their children.
Mom, what is in my lunch today?
I made sandwiches and fruit juice for you.
Wow, my favorite sandwiches.
Eat them during lunch break.
I will share them with my friend too.
That is very kind of you.
Mom, today we have an English test.
Are you prepared for it?
Yes, I studied last night.
Very good. Always study on time.
I will try my best.
I believe in you.
Your words make me happy.
Come on now. Let's go to school.
Okay, Mom.
Sit properly on the bike.
I am sitting carefully.
Hold my shoulders tightly.
Yes, Mom.
Is your school bag comfortable?
Yes, it is fine.
Do you have your water bottle?
Oh no, I forgot it at home.
Good thing I checked. Here it is.
Thank you, Mom.
We are getting late.
The road looks busy today.
Yes, many children are going to school.
Look, Mom, my friend Max is there.
Yes, I can see him.
His father is dropping him too.
Parents love taking care of their children.
Mom, will you come to my school function next week?
Of course. I never miss your school events.
I am going to sing a song there.
Really? That sounds wonderful.
I feel a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. You sing very well.
Thank you for encouraging me.
You are my smart boy.
Mom, we have reached the school gate.
Yes, we are here now.
There are many students at the gate.
Everyone is arriving for school.
Mom, can you fix my collar?
Sure. Stand still.
Is it okay now?
Yes, now you look very neat.
Thank you, Mom.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I completed all of it.
Excellent.
Mom, my teacher gave me a star yesterday.
That is amazing. Why did she give you a star?
Because I answered all the questions correctly.
I am very proud of you.
I was very happy yesterday.
Keep working hard like this.
I will, Mom.
Do you need extra money for school today?
No, Mom, I already have some money.
Don't spend it on unhealthy snacks.
Okay, Mom, I will buy something healthy.
Be careful while playing.
I will be careful.
Always be honest and kind.
I will remember your words.
That's my good boy.
Mom, the school bell is ringing.
Then you should go inside now.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day at school.
Thank you, Mom.
Best of luck for your English test.
Thank you. I hope I do well.
I know you will do great.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, dear. Take care.
See you in the afternoon.
See you soon.
Love you, Mom. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.